Hey guys, today I will do an unboxing of the Finwing Albabird. So if you guys watching my channel, you know that I'm doing FPV for more than 6 years. So let's do the unboxing and see what's inside. So this is the box. It's quite small. I was expecting, something much larger. What's inside the box? More boxes. One, two. Start with the smaller one. This was inside. Stickers. And 2 wings. You have to cut it open. It's very nice. Look at the wood piece here, and also here you got a lot of channels to put inside. Maybe video transmitter, or the UHF and the servo. Looks nice. These are the wings. Let's open the second box. Here we got some carbon rods. Got here. So I assume the rear part of the fuselage. Tail. These are the motors, 1300 kV, 2207. Looks very nice. As far as I understood, this is a Sunny Sky motors. It all made look like a very quality EPO, I assume, with all the wood part, which looks very nice. And the fuselage. These are all the parts. It's all wrapped in very nice. Look at all these parts. They also included servo leads and also these pins to be used in on the wings. very nice packed. FPV, first person view. This I assume where you're gonna put a battery for the battery bay. Oh, that's nice. These are what the motors are going to be. Also included. That's very nice. Very nice, good quality build. So it's quite small. Oh, they include also props. 8 by 4.5. Yeah, it's built. Let's go fly. Just want to share with you which equipment I'm going to use. So you already saw the motors that were included, and these ESCs 3 ampere by ZTW. I'm going to use a Dragolink and the Matic F405 already soldered, and I got here a 1.2 video transmitter, the Tau Pro MG90S. These are the servers that I'm going to use. And I don't have it here, but I'm going to use for camera, FPV and HD the Cadex throttle, and hopefully there is this nice guy that just designed pan and tilt, very cool, very stable. So for that I'm going to use the Turn-G that servo, which is 180 degrees servo, and this is for the tilt. So this is it, guys. This is just got an hour ago the Albabird. I'm very excited to build it, and I will share with you the build and of course the Maiden. So thank you for watching, and subscribe if you didn't subscribe by now. Thanks.